Kumsi benta ban pentikna ya gajing shingan bat kabha kamyat jong ki kenthe bat ki khna uba polong do ubade menteri katnat social welfare ne kasngi ulapan bna ba sarkar kalashim ki kilat kilenti ban petrikam yau helpline number shispa propway kani ka helpline kan longkum kala jing yarap na kabanta kitu ki badan kam da ka ba ajing yarap sa kitu ki bi kendu jing bat ki badan ha ka jing ma haba pensyai uba pol ulang ba ki dan ka website kabala dep ban pelaj kalong ban penbit penbiang ya karukam ajing syakri kani kesinjam ketemu ban ajing rap bat jing tip da ka pentikna ba kane kan penbha kan pensuk ya kitu ke badan kam ya ke jing kershan uni u helpline number shispa proper way ubade na ka bantagi kan the bat khna la slam ulalong ujing yarap ulalong ke jing yarap na ka bantagi bre ke badan ha ke jing ma
the women helpline which is 181 women helpline. And I would request you to visit the Directorate office because we have installed the latest gadgets and machines which will help to track calls and also track the response system. And also there is a dedicated website which has been activated in order to enable this service to be at its peak.